Welcome to Desi SoCal Life. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble Hampton Bay gas fire pit. So let's start. This is everything that came in a package. So we are going to start now. It does have instructions with it. So here are the screws that it came with. What I'm going to do is turn it over and just remove the back. So what I did was I opened the back, and we are just going to leave the screws in here so we don't lose them. So they're just going to stay in this little packet. Let me show you that they are marked. These panels are marked with numbers, number 11, number 12, and these two are number 8. As you can see, it says number 8. We are going to start with panel number 12. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. So our step number 1 is we are going to attach number 12, that's marked number 12, to number 10. And so for this we will be using these 6 screws right here in this packet, and they are M6. It needs a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm using my hand screwdriver. So I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this, and we're not going to tighten it all the way until we start doing the other side of the thing. So now we're going to put the other screw on this side, just like that. Use your hand for a little bit, and then you can use a screwdriver. Okay, so this is our door assembly. As you can tell, it's movable, so it is our door assembly. I have not tightened it all the way. We're just going to wait till we do other sides. So we're going to put this down, and our next step is, earlier I said they are number 6, so I still don't know they are 6 or 9, but there are 2 of them. So let's assume they are 6. So to the bottom of the fire pit, these are the levels, so you can adjust your fire pit according to your floor. So what we are going to do is there are two holes right here, and as you can see there are 2 holes right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these on top of that, and I'll be using these screws. These are M6, 12, 20 of them, so these are 20 little screws. So I did this side. Now I am going to go to the other side right there, and I am going to be doing the same thing. I'll be using the bar for number 6. So this is number 13, that's going to go here. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. So I'm done with these 3 legs right here, and now I am going to do number 11, and that's going to go inside this way. And there's a hole right here, so we are going to make sure the hole is aligned with this right here, and we are going to put the screws. There's some, there's right here, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to screw these inside with this. So let's start doing this. So we are still using these little screws right here, and we need to screw this from inside. So all 4 screws are in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to do it from inside. Now I am going to add another panel on this side, and same thing, we are going to be putting the screws from inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already added the 3 sides, as you can see, and they were very easy to install. Number 8, this is number 8, and this is number 11. So we have 3 sides, and this is number 12, and that is the door, and that's going to go right here. And as you can see, there's a magnet right here. The door will close with the magnet, so make sure this panel is on this side, because there's a magnet, and once after we put that, it's gonna snap the door close with the magnet. 1 and 2 screws right here, and those are the 2 screws, and then we have 2 screws right here, 1 and 2, and we are going to put this here just like that, and then I am going to go ahead and screw these sides. Then we will be done. So this is basically the last step we are going to do before we flip it over. And this bar is, we are going to go put it in here all the way, and you will see there are holes right here. There are holes right here on 4 sides. So we need to screw this in. This is what's going to hold the gas tank. Let's start screwing these in. So we have 4 of these screws, and we will be using these long screws. So as you can see, all these 4 screws went on the side to hold this bar for our propane tank. And now we are going to flip it over and finish the other side. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. We are going to take these tapes off, and then we are going to put the lava rock in there. And I'm just going to open this up and show you. Here is the inside, and all the lava rock are going to go around it, and that's about it. And then we're going to attach the tank in the bottom, and I'll show you how to do that. And if you like, you can always get glass stones, and you can use those. And these are 10 pounds of lava rocks. Put this, close it, and then make it as a table when you're not using it, and you can remove it for your fire. I already put the tank in there, and we did this. Make sure the tube does not hit the bottom of the metal frame, because it will melt. So let's turn it on now, and it has auto ignition, and when you turn it on, it will turn it on for you. You don't need to use matches, so I kind of like this feature. Here we go, looking beautiful. And you can turn down the heat or turn up the heat. See, you can even lower the heat. It's adjustable. And here it's high. Here we go, all done. I hope you like my today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and stay blessed. Thank you for watching.